My girls are gonna be so excited for this. You ready? Nail polishes! Look at all these gorgeous colors. Some of them with sparkles, some of them without. All of them are so pretty and each one's a little bit different. What I love about it is that they're non-toxic and they're peel off, which means my 3-year-old and my 5-year-old can paint their own nails and I'm not worried about it. Look how thick she's putting it on. It's totally fine. What's also great about this kit is because you get 18 of them, you can keep a few for your kids and gift some to others. There's plenty to go around, or if you want to have a party and everyone takes one home, that works too.